need to be at the beach in like an hour, and I needed to make a piece of clothing that I could travel to the beach with and also be appropriate to like stay at the beach with. So I have this dress that is backless, and I thought that this would be the right type of clothing to use to make a bodysuit stroke beachwear. So I used what is it called, another bodysuit that I have as a template, just to like give me an idea of where I want to cut that lower crotch area. So yeah, let's go. I placed the dress flat on a surface, then I took that bodysuit that I'm going to use as a template, and I matched the armpit part to the armpit part of the dress, just to be sure of what I'll be doing. So as you can see, the front and the back part of the crotch area are not like identical, so I could not cut everything out at once. I had to go ahead and like trace out the front part, then cut the front part out, then go back and trace the back part, then proceed to cut the back part also. So as I'm tracing everything out, I realized that I will need to like hem that part that I'm going to cut out. So I added something like an inch of seam allowance, just to have that extra bit of fabric to like fold over and just hem everything out. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing right here. So I did the front part, then I went ahead and did the back part, just the similar process. Then once I had everything all traced out, I took my pair of scissors, then proceed to cut it out at that 1 inch seam allowance that I left out. I think you can notice the difference here. The front part is a little bit thinner and shorter, and the back part is a little bit thicker and longer. So that's what I was going for. So next you're going to turn the piece of clothing now the wrong sides out, because we needed to hem everything out. And to hem it, I did a double hem. And basically what a double hem is you're going to fold your piece of clothing twice, then pin it in place. So it's not a normal hem like folding it once. You're just going to do it twice, then pin it in place here. So I did that along all the parts that I have just finished cutting out, so that the bodysuit stroke beachwear could have more of like a professional look, rather than something that I made literally just an hour to the beach. So yeah, you're going to do that real quick. It doesn't take much of your time, and it's really quick. Once you fold once or twice, the folds just keep on going in by themselves. You'll realize by the end of you folding, you'll be just pinning at some point, because the fabric just folds in on itself. So that's what I liked about this material. Is the same material used to make beachwear. I don't know what it's called, but it's that same material. So next you're going to do a straight stitch along all the parts that you have pinned, and you're also going to join the two crochet area there with a straight stitch. The end results were just beautiful. I really loved how the tops turned out, and I think I'll be wearing it more often because I don't have such piece of clothing in my wardrobe. So to travel to the beach, I'll wear this pair of pants that I have. It is a little bit big at the waist, but that's not even an issue because I'll use this method to just resize it at the waist alone, and it's literally takes me like 5 minutes to use this hack, and this is how the back looks, really good. And to stay at the beach, I thought of wearing this beautiful skirt that I also made in another video, and I think it's appropriate because I'm not even going to swim or anything. I just want to relax at the beach, and this would be a really cute outfit. So yeah, this is how it turned out.